In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Steam Remote Play. If you've ever launched a game from one PC and streamed it to another device and noticed lag, blurry frames, or stuttering, these built-in settings in Steam can make a big difference. We'll walk through exactly where to click and why each option matters, so your stream feels smoother and more responsive. Start by opening Steam and clicking the Steam menu in the top left corner of the window. From there, choose Settings. In the Settings panel, select Remote Play on the left. This is the control center for how your host computer sends video and audio, and how your client device receives it. Under Remote Play, find Allow Direct Connection and set it to Automatic. This lets Steam choose the best path between your devices. On the same network, it will try to connect directly for the lowest latency, and if that isn't possible, it will fall back gracefully. Automatic keeps things simple and reliable. Next, enable advanced host options. This reveals host-side performance toggles that help your streaming PC do its job more efficiently. Turn on hardware encoding. With this enabled, your graphics hardware handles video compression, easing the load on your CPU and reducing latency. Most modern GPUs support this, and it's one of the biggest wins for smooth streaming. Also, enable prioritized network traffic. This tells your system to give remote play packets higher priority, which helps keep frames consistent when your network is busy. It won't fix a slow connection, but it can stabilize performance when other apps are competing for bandwidth. Now, open Advanced Client Options. These settings control how the device you're playing on decodes and displays the stream. Set the video quality preset to fast. This favors responsiveness over heavy image processing, cutting input delay and making controls feel snappier, especially helpful for fast-paced games. You can always revisit this if you prefer more visual polish. Set the bandwidth limit to your preference. Higher limits allow more detail but demand a stronger connection. Lower limits conserve network capacity and can reduce hiccups on congested Wi-Fi. Pick a level that matches your setup and adjust later if you see artifacts or drops. Set the resolution limit to automatic. Steam will scale the stream to a sensible size based on your display and connection, which helps avoid unnecessary upscaling or downscaling that can add blur or latency. Finally, make sure hardware decoding is turned on. This lets your client device's GPU handle video playback, reducing stutter and keeping frame delivery smooth. That's it. Launch a game and pay attention to input feel and visual stability. If anything seems off, return to these same options and fine-tune. With these settings, remote play should feel faster, cleaner, and more reliable.